ठीक है, तो अब मेरा मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन आपसे इंग्लिश में ही है, ठीक है। अच्छा, आई हैव वन मोर रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू। 6 onwards, most important subject for considerations are maths and English. Maths and English. If your maths is good, if your English is good, you can conquer the world. Take it from me. If your maths is good, if your English is good, you can conquer the world. You have to focus on these two subjects, maths and English. And maths is not a subject which you have to read. You have to do lot of practice. Maths is a subject of practice. So the people who are supposed to take, especially people who are planning to have a maths in 11th standard, I request all of them. 6th onwards you decide, at least by 9th you decide that you will be taking maths or biology. Your parents are your guiding force, they decide on your behalf. My daughter will become doctor, my son will become engineer. It's like that only, no? So my request is, all of you, even if you're planning for biology, you have to focus on maths. If you focus on maths, if you focus on English, the world is yours. So instead of wasting and giving you too much gyan, I'll request you to focus on what I have said. Newspaper, everyone has to read newspaper every day. Not much, maybe 30 minutes. Achha, what you go through in newspaper? What you go through? You have to read front page, you have to read sports page. My interest is in international affairs also, so I go through international affairs page also. If you have interest, you go through it, but front page, sports page, these two pages are compulsory for you. Okay? Apart from that, in between, there is one page of editorials. Which page is it? Editorial. So that page also you try to go through, maybe not every day, the topic may not be of your interest, but one of the day it may be of your interest. And you have to go through that editorial page because very learned people are writing articles in it. So you have to go through, especially 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Okay, you're getting me? That's so kind of you. So, newspaper, maths and English. And take it from me, if you read English newspaper every day, you will be very confident in your English. Very confident. Reading English newspaper helps to improve your language. So if any of you prepare for CAT, MBA, later grade, so it will be much helpful to you if you start reading from now onwards. Okay? So that was so kind of you. आप सभी ने मुझे सुना, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे बच्चों का ध्यान ही हट गया।